There's Susie riding a Harley demo at the Dallas motorcycle show.
Okay, you remember about the clutch and the shifter, one down.
She's getting some instruction right now.
Okay, you got to squeeze the clutch before you shift and all that. Okay. Remember the big red fuel switch? They're not as black as the black stuff. Okay, so what's good?
Look, she's all smiling and stuff. She likes to get on the bike. Started. Nice. Oh, hell, now she don't want a bike. Got to buy a Harley. Damn it.
Whenever you're comfortable, you can shift in the first gear and get your favorite over. Not raw, right? I bet you like food down.
Damn. She's watching. Cruising now. Oh, damn.
Well, like I said, if you were moving down the road, it would be a lot better.
Golly.
Well, maybe time to take a break.
Do you have a picture of her?
There you go. It's
Show me it. I want to see it.
kill switch, and I'll find it. I don't want to take your leg. It's off.
What is that?
And I'll find it.
An iPad?
I'm sorry.
Out loud.
That's it for now.
Get the purse here.
It's
Sorry, Tina. Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you. It's good though. You lost?